Champion Power Equipment No.75531i Inverter Generator 3100 Watt. Generator 3100 Watt has been picking up a status for being a powerful competitor in the mid-scope power inverted generators models. Portable inverter generator is fueled by a 171 cc of motor planned particularly for the 3100 watt inverter generator. The Champion 3100 watt inverter generator gives quite clean power for campgrounds, RVs, cabin and other remote areas. The generator is 24.2 in length, 18.5 wide and 19.7 in height. It runs for 8 hours on a full tank of gas at 25% heat. The generator provides 3,100 max watts and 2,800 rated watts of power. Also lightweight, 80 pounds, with built-in wheels and fold-away handle and portable for convenience. It is super quiet generator, 58 dB low oil sensor for safety. Click link in description below to read products details and customer reviews.